In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get voice chat in Roblox. So, voice chat in Roblox is spatial audio. It means it allows people to communicate in Roblox naturally as they communicate in the physical world. So, the first thing you need to do is open your settings on Roblox app. And then tap to account info. In here, you have to make sure that your email address is verified and also your birthday is verified. So to be able to enable the chat voice in Roblox, your age should be 13 plus and above. Once you're done with that, open your privacy. In here, you will able to see the beta features. It says here that enable voice chat. So just toggle that up. It says here that this setting allows qualified users to use spatial voice to communicate in Roblox experiences. So just tap enable. So that's it. You have already enabled the voice chat on Roblox. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.